For a supermarket that catches shoplifter, so is it legal for them to actually post the picture of the shoplifter? Because they said every time they post every time they catch them and they take them to the police station, they are not really dealt with to their own satisfaction. Is it legal to actually post the picture of those people so that it will serve as an example for those that want to also shoplift?
When it comes to stealing is not a civil wrong. Civil wrong is an issue that happens between you and I. For example, if I eat your car, that's a civil wrong. That's between individuals, matters between individuals. But criminal wrongs are between individuals and the state. Stealing is a crime. It's not a civil, issue. And because it is a crime, the laws and guidelines that will guide crimes, it is the state that will guide, prosecution and all of that, not individuals, right? The state frowns against jungle justice and taking matters into your own hands. Things like displaying people's picture and all of that. In fact, it is possible that the person you caught, what if you caught the person and then maybe the person was set up, you check your camera, CCTV you have, and then it turns out that the person was not even guilty, and then you pasted the person's picture all over. The person can come back and sue you for, breach of fundamental human rights as guaranteed in the Constitution. So if you say, for example, you catch a shoplifter inside your shop, the person stole something, what you should do, the law, the Nigerian Police Act, has given private persons power to arrest. So as a private person, you can arrest someone. That's what it means. You can arrest someone. Of course, there are limits. It's not like you arrest the person and be punching the person and so on. No. But there are laws guiding, some of these things. As a private person, if, say, for example, the crime happens on your property or the crime was committed in front of you, your presence, you were there, you can arrest the person. But what the law says is, once you arrest the person, hand the person over to a police officer or take the person to the nearest police station without unnecessary delay. It's not like after arresting the person in your shop, you're not going to lock the person in a cage and say, no, you've taken something in my shop, I must arrest you, I must jail you. No. But as a private person, you can arrest individuals without warrant. You can arrest them and say, but once you've arrested them, hand them over to a police officer, take them to a police station without unnecessary delay. It's not like once that happens, and once that happens, you give them to the police officer will deal with it, whether it is to your satisfaction or not, because every person is innocent or proven guilty. So once you hand them over to the police officer knows, the investigating police officer, IPO, he knows the steps to take to charge the person to court. And that's why in cases you see the state versus something, the state against something, because the person has committed whatever crime, and then the police officer knows how to take it up. Even for civil wrongs, once someone hits your car, it is, if you say, for example, if the car that he hits is a lawyer's car now, and then you are now saying, and you want to arrest the lawyer knows his rights. You can't be calling policemen and be telling policemen to arrest this person because the person hits your car. No, that's not how it should be done. There are laws guiding some of these things. The law has prescribed the ways that these things should be handled. You know those things that people do now when they catch a thief and then people put tire on the person. All those things are called jungle justice. The law frowns against it. If you are caught, the person will go to jail. Now, when those things happen, let the law take its course. That's why we have laws. That's why we have guidelines for these things. We have laws in place. But another problem we have in Nigeria is a lot of people don't know their rights. A lot of people don't even know the law. This election petition issue that happened now, people that tuned into this judgment, people were complaining that, the judgment is long. Is this how the law is? Because most people don't know how courts operate. Most people don't know how the law operates. So it is important that if you have a friend who is a lawyer or you have someone, learn some things from them. You can just, in fact, the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is available to everybody. It's available offline, it's available online. Read it. Check chapter 4, fundamental human rights, right to life, right to personal liberty, and so on and so forth. Your rights are there. Those are rights as guaranteed under the Constitution. If you read it, you know your rights. You know what you can do, and you know what you cannot do. So it helps. So if you catch someone like that, please hand them over to the nearest police station. What you can do as an individual after doing that is that you can help them gather evidence. Say, for example, if it's video evidence you have, if you have fingerprint or whatever you have, give it to the police officer to help the case. This is what I have, the person stole. And then from there, they will be able to take up matter to the letter of the law.